Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to share 3 different hacks to help Uber and Lyft drivers increase their income. So if you want to make more money, which I'm sure you do, make sure you keep watching this video. Alright, hack number 1 is you want to get a Play Octopus tablet. We have a link down below if you want to check it out, but basically Play Octopus is this awesome company that sends rideshare drivers a tablet completely for free, and you can actually make up to an extra $100 per month. That's over $1,000 a year, and I think that's pretty cool considering the tablet is free and it's sent to you as long as you're a regular driver. You hook it up behind the front seats of your car so the passengers in the back can play games on there. They can actually win prizes. You can have a little driver profile so they can get to know you. There's a bunch of cool things the tablet shows, and it's always running. So when the passengers use it, this will help you make more money. And what's great is that passengers love how it's interactive. They love playing games most of the time, so they may actually give you a higher tip because you've already enhanced their whole passenger experience by having a tablet in the car for them to play on. So this is something you definitely have to check out, and you should sign up with the link down below and get your free Play Octopus tablet. All right, hack number 2 to help boost your income is looking at the Uber and Lyft passenger apps. This is a great hack for if you're sitting in your car and you're not getting any ride requests and you're wondering like, what am I doing wrong? Why am I just waiting around here wasting valuable time when you could be making more money? All you have to do is go on the Uber passenger app or the Lyft passenger app, whatever app you're using, and you can see how many other drivers are around your area. You might be surprised to see that there's a million cars around you. The competition is higher. That way you could drive down the block or drive a little bit further away to get out of the crowd of other drivers and hopefully get a better ride from there. There was actually a passenger who was at an event stadium waiting to get a ride request and wasn't getting any. Was wondering like, why am I not getting any ride requests? There's like a million people here. Well, they checked the Uber passenger app and saw that there were a ton of drivers around there, so they actually drove around to the other side of the stadium and were able to get a ride super fast. So this is a hack I definitely recommend if you want to get more rides and not waste your valuable time. That way you can boost your income. Alright, here is hack number 3 to boost your income as a rideshare driver. This is called multi-apping. You want to use Uber and Lyft at the same time. So to do this, you need to make sure that you're signed up for both apps, everything's up and running. Let's say you're driving for Uber and you're not getting any ride requests, then you can log into the Lyft app and it'll double your chances of getting a ride. That way you have less downtime, and time is money, so you're not wasting valuable time just sitting around or driving around. You'll be more likely to make more money in having a rider in the car, because you're not getting paid for the time that you don't have a passenger in your car. Then once you're able to get a ride on one app, just turn off the other app until you finish the ride, and then you can turn them both back on. That way you're not missing out on any rides that are like coming in. I hope you like these hacks and I hope they help you make more money. Once again, you can check out Play Octopus down below in the description. We have a link for you guys to sign up and get your free tablet. Also be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Anyways guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.